That was the last time our country gave him our word. As a citizen, I pay attention to whether my government keeps its word, because if it won't stand by it with him, it won't with me. Fast forward to March 15th, 2025. Trump's DHS put Kilmar on a deportation flight to El Salvador. No new hearing, no court reversal, no motion to reopen, just a flight manifest and a shrug. DOJ admitted in court that it was an administrative error. A federal judge ruled it unlawful. The Supreme Court upheld that ruling, and Trump still refused to bring him back. That's not due process. It's not due process if the government ignores the last active ruling in the case. It's not due process if accusations are launched on social media instead of submitted to a judge. It's not due process if there's no new evidence, no hearing, no review, and the state acts anyway. He didn't get due process on the gang claims. He didn't get due process on the domestic violence claims. He didn't get due process on the trafficking claims. He didn't even get due process on whether his 2019 protection still applied. He didn't get due process, period. And now we've got Will Chamberlain saying, at a minimum, he should have had a credible fear interview. No, he shouldn't have. That's for people at the border with no record, no rulings. Kilmar had already gone through the full legal process. He didn't need a screening. He needed Trump to obey the law. And Jack, you repeated Will's framing. You pushed the line that he had plenty of process while sharing narratives that never saw the inside of a courtroom. Then there's the missed hearings claim. Will brought that up too. But what he's referring to, what the immigration judge actually wrote about, were missed traffic court dates, not immigration hearings. Kilmar didn't miss his immigration case. He showed up, argued it, and won. DHS didn't appeal. His protection wasn't revoked. He was deported anyway. So if he missed court, why did he win? Why didn't the government challenge the ruling? Why are we skipping the actual legal timeline and replacing it with Twitter commentary?